How to add and record voiceover in CapCut PC. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To add and record a voiceover in your CapCut PC, basically you need to open up your CapCut, then make sure that you have imported a video. At the top of the timeline, you will see this microphone icon right over here. Click on the icon. To check if your mic is working, you need to see the top of the scale. If it buffers something like this, just know that the microphone is active. Before you start your recording, you need to go ahead and adjust some of the recording settings. Select your input device. If there is any multiple devices connected, make sure to connect one of those. Then select the volume of your recording. Make sure you toggle on the button of echo reduction, which will help to avoid echo from the speaker, and as well as tap on mute project so that if there is any of the sound in the clip, it will be automatically turned off. Once you have done all of the setting, now you can press on this red button to start recording. It will also give you a preview right here, and once it is being recorded, you can see that it is visible in the timeline section. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.